Looking to breathe new life into your home without a full renovation? Accent walls are the perfect way to elevate your space with minimal effort. Whether you're working with a living room, bedroom, or even a hallway, a well-thought-out accent wall can completely transform the vibe. But where do you start? Let's dive into 7 simple and stylish accent wall ideas that are sure to inspire you. Nothing says accent like a bold splash of color. Choose a rich, vibrant hue that contrasts with the rest of your walls. For a cozy and dramatic effect, try deep emerald green or navy blue. Prefer something cheerful? Opt for a sunny yellow or coral. This classic approach is budget-friendly and easy to execute, even for beginners. Wood paneling has made a major comeback, and it's more versatile than ever. From sleek, modern slats to rustic reclaimed wood, this idea can fit any style. Wood instantly adds warmth and depth, making your accent wall the centerpiece of the room. Try staining or painting the wood for an extra personalized touch. Wallpaper is no longer the messy commitment it used to be. Peel and stick wallpaper makes it easy to add intricate designs or patterns without the long-term stress. Choose a bold geometric print or a soft floral pattern to fit your aesthetic. Plus, if you get tired of it, you can simply peel it off and start fresh. Who says an accent wall has to be about paint or texture? A curated gallery wall filled with art, photos, or even mirrors can make a stunning statement. Mix and match frames for a more eclectic vibe or keep them uniform for a clean and polished look. Don't forget to experiment with layouts before committing to nail holes. If you're enjoying these ideas, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your favorite accent wall idea so far. Your support keeps us inspired to create more awesome content for you. Ideal for kitchens, kids' rooms, or creative spaces, chalkboard paint turns any wall into a functional and fun masterpiece. Use it for grocery lists, doodles, or inspiring quotes. Pair the chalkboard wall with vibrant decor to keep the space feeling lively and balanced. Exposed brick walls are a timeless design element, but not everyone lives in a loft. Faux brick or stone veneers offer an easy and affordable way to achieve the same look. These materials add an industrial chic vibe that works beautifully in living rooms, kitchens, or even bathrooms. Can't decide on just one color? Go for a two-tone accent wall. Split your wall horizontally or vertically and use complementary shades for a dynamic, eye-catching design. A popular choice is pairing neutral tones like beige and white for a sophisticated feel or opting for bold contrasts like teal and orange for a playful twist. Accent walls are the perfect way to express your personal style and create a focal point in any room. Whether you prefer the simplicity of a bold paint color or the intricate detail of a gallery wall, there's an idea here for everyone. Best of all, most of these projects can be tackled in a single weekend. So, which idea will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And remember, your space should feel uniquely yours. Have fun experimenting and happy decorating.